Well, look, we sit here on day 3 of LEAP. This is the day of momentum. I would be really interested to ask you, which sectors do you think have the most potential to be transformed by tech and innovation going forward?
Energy, for sure. I'm a big believer in energy, and I think this decade, at least, will be the decade of energy. I think fusion is going to make some huge strides when it comes to the next few years. AI, I mean, again, AI, we're hearing AI everywhere, and it's a little deafening.
Just to interject there, so have you made any significant investments around specific parts of AI?
So we actually made an investment, Boodle, I want to say the name of the company, and it was in AI about 4 years ago. And it's a really a forward-thinking company, visionary, really visionary when it comes to where they were and where they are now, especially with the jump of AI. But AI with machine learning and vision learning, I think all that combined together will definitely come up with a really interesting concept for companies to actually start utilizing for economies of scale. More importantly, for affordability, so they can easily drive price down. When you start automating things to AI, price points generally do go down significantly. There are a bunch of other factors that play a positive role with AI, but more importantly is that don't get too excited when it comes to an AI company that's starting a new idea, simply because they're dominated by one company, but right now maybe two. Google is lagging behind a little bit when it comes to OpenAI. But at the end of the day, they're using their APIs. So if a company definitely succeeds, the only thing that Google or OpenAI needs to do is just copy it, because they're using their technology, and that company doesn't exist anymore. So I'm not really too excited about investing in these companies, rather than just following the flow of these giant companies. And I love what Microsoft is doing when it comes to AI.